So what is the GAIA Project? GAIA, as you know, is a name for Mother Earth. We used it as an acronym, so it stands for Global Alliance for Isumatak Activation. Right? GAIA, Global Alliance for Isumatak Activation. What did we talk about as far as Isumatak? What does that mean? What does that stand for?
Sacred space.
Sacred space in which wisdom is revealed, right? So the keeper of the sacred space in which wisdom is revealed. So the idea with this is a global alliance. People all over the world are doing this protocol on a regular basis for the purpose of bringing forth sacred wisdom. Okay? You guys interested in that?
Yes.
Have you ever sat in your room, or maybe not with PSYCH-K because you haven't left this room yet, but have you ever wished you could help others, that you could be a gift to the world, to the universe, to the the galactic world, you know, beyond this? All right. So this is a way, knowing what you know from this workshop, from the basic workshop, a way for you to be of service to whomever needs that service. Whether you're physically with them or not, whether you know who it is, it doesn't matter. So the idea is you open, you sustain, and you close a space, a sacred space, the Isumatak space, in which any one being, person, entity, thing, whatever, can use that beautiful spiritual space to do balances. You don't have to know anything about it. All you are is the vehicle or the vessel for the space. And what's beautiful about it is it allows immense change to go on in a few minutes. So often when we do this, it's all of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. What occurs, sometimes you don't even know, it's basically using the new direction of the whole brain posture. But you may not know what's happening, but just trust that all kinds of people are having balances. It's an agreement between their superconscious using your capacity as a facilitator. Does that sound like something pretty cool?
Yes.
It's amazing, all right? So it's really a process in which, I'm just going to read a little bit, a process in which the superconscious and the subconscious minds collaborate to create the necessary belief changes to accelerate spiritual evolutionary process. You don't have to know what's going on, though. That's what's beautiful. Your job is to hold the space. And then the magic occurs with you, all right? It is, when you're doing it, you might receive messages. You might receive insights. People have different experiences with it. What's lovely is we have a private Facebook page that you can go on and post what your experience is. The thing that I want to share is this is not a balance for you. This is you holding a sacred space for balances to occur. You see the difference? So the really cool thing is you get benefit. You just don't go in with the idea of what the benefit is. So one woman posted on the Facebook page recently that she had had a pain in her, I think it was her neck, for years. And she went in and did the protocol. It's a very simple protocol. But she went in and did the protocol for about 15 minutes. When she came out, she said all of a sudden, 2 days later, she realized she hadn't felt any pain in her neck for the last 2 days. And she said that hadn't happened in years. So she didn't go in with that intention, but that was her sacred gift back to her. So the idea is be of service and give, and then be open and see what shows up for you. You may not recognize it, but be aware.